Let's talk about rainwater harvesting. In my humble opinion, if we were to harvest rainwater consistently worldwide, it would solve most of the world's problems. This is a big picture overview of that. So the four main categories of water cycle restoration or rainwater harvesting are: number one, abundant plant matter. Let things grow. Don't cut so much. Don't clear so much. Let plants exist within where you live, and don't be too quick to weed, cut, mow, etc. Cut less, mow less, grow more. Number two, healthy soils. Healthy soil is probably the single biggest potential reservoir for water. Unhealthy soil, the rain goes elsewhere. Healthy soil, it is porous, it has soil organic matter in it. Healthy soil is a sponge. If we would but nurture healthy soil, then the rain would have a place to fall and soak in, and flooding would almost be non-existent. Imagine that, for flooding to be almost non-existent. Less physical disturbance and soil-killing chemicals, more living roots and animals. Number three, earthworks, including swales, small ponds, terracing, keyline system. So earthworks is like, okay, once you've let the plants grow, let's check that off the list. And once you've done everything to nurture healthy soil, check that off the list. Then we might think of contouring or check dams, something to hold back the water. Swales on contour, etc. Terracing, that kind of thing. Number four, don't forget the animal engineers. Animals are so important ecologically. All ecosystems have animals. It's just a question of which ones. So animal engineers include beavers, prairie dogs, cattle. Earthworms are animal engineers. Ants are animal engineers. Dung beetles and even wild donkeys. In Australia, wild donkeys they are and could be the animal engineers if they would allow them. The end goals are to cool the climate and make water available to functioning ecosystems. Nothing captures water like a functioning ecosystem, whether it's a forest ecosystem or a grassland or even a landscape, an urban or suburban landscape. Farmland can be an ecosystem that captures rainfall. So ecosystems which absorb carbon and water in ever greater quantities and are the source of true wealth and security. Ecosystems that produce food, ecosystems that regulate the climate, are the true source of wealth and security, and they will absorb almost unlimited amounts of carbon and water if we will bring them into play, if we will create a space for ecosystems to survive and thrive, then that will create true wealth and abundance.